is Channel 7 News at 6.
And good evening. We're going to begin tonight with the Arkansas Supreme Court, which will soon decide whether victims of child sexual abuse can sue their abusers, even if the statute of limitations has expired.
Channel 7's Andrew Mobley joins us from outside the state Supreme Court tonight with the story. Andrew.
The Justice for Vulnerable Victims of Sexual Abuse Act, passed by the state legislature in 2021, created a 2-year window for civil action in otherwise expired child sex abuse cases. That window was then extended to February 1st next year. Attorney Peter Jancy, who has represented child sex abuse victims in Arkansas, says the window reflects a growing trend nationwide to increase child protection.
For victims who suffered even in the past, this isn't over. You know, this is still something that they're facing and having memories of, and probably will for the rest of their lives. The statute of limitations reform in Arkansas was an important step forward for victims.
But lawsuits filed by victims during that window hit a roadblock when the Arkansas Court of Appeals ruled in a case brought by plaintiffs represented by the Gillespie law firm against a pediatrician that a statute of limitation cannot be revived by legislation once expired.
The trial court and the Court of Appeals said you can't do that for someone whose statute of limitations has already expired. You can't reopen it.
However, in May, the Arkansas Supreme Court granted a petition for review in that case, something it doesn't often do.
The only reason the Supreme Court would review an intermediate appellate court decision is if at least some of the justices thought that the intermediate appellate court got it wrong. There's a greater than random chance that the intermediate appellate court decision will be overturned.
It's also important to note the Vulnerable Victims Act did 2 things. Apart from create a temporary window to file civil suits in cases for which the statute of limitation had expired, the law also permanently eliminates statutes of limitation for new cases and those that hadn't yet expired as of the effective date of the law, July 28, 2021. In other words, if you were born July 28, 2000 or after, there will never be a statute of limitation preventing you from filing a civil lawsuit against someone who sexually abused you as a child. That part of the law has not been blocked. The Arkansas Supreme Court may make a decision in the case in the next few months. On your side, I'm Andrew Mobley.
Andrew, thanks so much for this and other stories on the state's changes to how child sex abuse cases are litigated. Head over to KATV.com.